the alerters are really not that loud. You can hear a Whelen siren down over there. All the Minneapolis Whelens are over there. And I could hear the West Bank Thunderbolt over there too. It's not that loud though. This one's the not as loudest one. I'm hoping the blue Richfield one is not loud either. The test is over. Just earlier I heard a few 2001s. I did not hear the blue one that was on the road though. All I heard was Whelen's 2001s and the West Bank Thunderbolt 1000T. Thank you all for watching this video and have a great day.